báwo ni kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ ìyá mi ṣàlàáfíà ni. Ìkórira. That's the word for hatred in English. Though in Yoruba, two ways to actually break this word down for proper understanding and when to use it. Because we as a people saying words goes beyond just saying it. It has meaning. This word ko is to pack, pack something. Bami ko aṣọ mi, emi pack my clothes. So the word ko is to pack, to gather. Ko. Now, the word eri is death. Eri is death. So in Yoruba you have another word for death. We will say idoti. So idoti is just English abridged word for death. So idoti is English. So when you say idoti, you're actually saying death. So but the actual word for death is eri. Nǹkan tí o fẹ́ rí, that thing that you don't want to see. Eri. So when you say this, you are saying that thing I don't want to see. So you see on your clothes, you say, oh, eri, nǹkan, that thing that you don't want to see. Then the word ara is body. Now, this eri also means something else. That dirt that you see on your skin, let's say someone has not had the bath for 3 days or something, that when you scrub yourself, that stuff that comes out, that very bad smells and stuff, that is eri. So when you say nǹkan eri, that you don't want to see from your body, this eri. So if I have not had my bath for a period of time now, the accumulation of dirt on the body, so you're scrubbing it, you'll be seeing it coming out, right? That's eri. You don't want to see it. So when you say Ìkórira, the act of packing the dirt on someone's body, right? So Yoruba sees it more as when you hate someone, because when you hate someone, you see the person and you be like, I will kill you, I will do this, because Yoruba sees it that you are packing the dirt on the person, on yourself. So the person is enjoying himself, you are the one that is killing yourself on what you term to be bad thing that the person has done to you, that makes you come to the position of not wanting to see the person or wanted to not talk to the person. Then that's Ìkórira. Then the word ko means to meet or encounter. That's why you say any ko mo, any mo ko. That means ko means to meet someone. Now, when you then say, whether you say Ìkórira, that means the packing of another person's death, another person's bad behavior on yourself, or ko, which means to meet the deaths of another person. In other words, you see me as a good person. Now you have encountered the other side of me that you perceive that, whoa, so Leko can do something like this. That is Ìkórira. Ìkó, the act of meeting, the shortcoming, the shortfall, or the negative aspect of another person. So that doesn't resonate with you, and you now be like, I will never talk to this person again. This person. So in both Ìkórira àbí Ìkórira, both they are the word for, I mean, we then say hatred, Ìkórira. Whether is the one that you meet, Ìkórira àbí Ìkórira, Yoruba says that you are the one injuring yourself when you say you hate someone. Because you've met the side of that person that makes you sad, that makes you become so discomfort, and the person probably is enjoying himself. You are the one that have met the eerie of that person. The person doesn't care. Right? So he's having fun, he's enjoying his life or her life, right? So Yoruba says that when you say you hate someone, tó bá kórìíra èèyàn, òun ṣera ẹ ní jàmbá. That means when you hate someone, you are the one that is injuring yourself. So if you say you hate me now, I don't even know you. Or I say I hate you now. You are in your house eating, drinking, and enjoying life. I'm the one that is screaming. I want you to injure myself for nothing, right? So Yoruba encourages us that if when you say I kórìíra ẹ, mo kórìíra ẹ, I hate you, it means you are packing the debt on that person, you are on yourself, which is bad. So I hate you, mo kórìíra ẹ. I don't hate you, mi ò kórìíra ẹ. Why do you hate me? Kí ló dé tí o fi kórìíra mi? Àbí kí nìdí tí o fi kórìíra mi? You know. All right, so use it in 5 sentences. Let me see what you have. Boom.